Welcome to 2203 Gingko Drive, where you will find a beautifully remodeled 3-bedroom home. The beautiful kitchen has an island, granite countertops, designer tile backsplash, beautiful tile flooring, and all appliances, including a new refrigerator. Both bathrooms have new designer vanities, lighting, and gorgeous custom tile showers. The foyer, kitchen, bathrooms, and utility room all have new tile flooring. The formal living room, dining room, master bedroom, and great room all have new vinyl plank flooring. The great room has a fireplace, the master bedroom has 2 closets, and the utility room has a sink. All new inside with lights, paint, granite counters, vanities, flooring, and more. There is a 2-car garage, a large fenced yard, a large patio with a fire pit, a home warranty, and more. This home is located in the Alice Drive Elementary and Alice Middle School location. Click on the red dots to go to that location of the home. Click on the back arrow to return to the previous scene. Click the forward arrow to view the next scene, or just sit back and enjoy the tour as it plays. The foyer greets you upon entering the front door of this beautifully remodeled home. It has new tile flooring and measures 11 feet 10 inches by 4 feet 11. The family room and dining room are located to the right of the foyer upon entering the front door. The family room is located to the right of the foyer upon entering the home. It has new vinyl plank flooring, a ceiling fan, and measures 14 feet 5 inches by 11 feet 11. The dining room is located off the family room and kitchen. It has new vinyl plank flooring and measures 11 feet 10 inches by 10 feet 10. The great room is gorgeous with new vinyl tile flooring, a ceiling fan, a fireplace, and measures 20 feet 7 inches by 14 feet 5. The eat-in area of the kitchen measures 11 feet 10 inches by 6 feet 1. The beautiful kitchen has an island, granite countertops, designer tile backsplash, beautiful tile flooring, and all appliances, including a new refrigerator. The beautiful kitchen has an island, granite countertops, designer tile backsplash, beautiful tile flooring, all appliances, including a new refrigerator that remain. The kitchen area measures 11 feet 10 inches by 10 feet 10. The kitchen has been beautifully remodeled with new granite countertops, tile backsplash, tile flooring, and appliances that include a refrigerator, dishwasher, microwave, and a stove. There is a conveniently located pot filler above the stove. The hall has vinyl plank flooring and leads to the bedrooms. The guest bath has been beautifully updated with a new designer vanity with dual sinks, new tile flooring, new lighting, new paint, a custom tile shower, and measures 11 feet 10 inches by 4 feet 11. The master bedroom has vinyl plank flooring, 2 closets, a ceiling fan, a private bathroom, and measures 16 feet 1 inch by 11 feet 11. The master bath has new tile flooring, A custom tile shower, a designer vanity with 2 sinks, new lighting, new paint, and measures 11 feet 10 inches by 4 feet 10. The master has 2 walk-in closets. This closet measures 5 feet 10 inches by 3 feet 11.